Summer Camp Island improved Cartoon Network really well. And it's only on Teletoon, which makes it kind of weird. So, it's kind of weird about how so what I actually said there, if you couldn't hear it, is the witches are basically the queens. They're like, okay, I'll tell you the order of how stupid they are and everything, and then my brother's gonna watch this and then make fun of me like in the Bob the Builder video, where I go freaking stupid like that. Number one of the stupidest, Susie. Like, I know, she is very rude to everybody. It doesn't affect most people. Most people just like watching shows and then, yeah, they're all over with it. Done. But I hate Susie the most. Well, not exactly hate her. She's actually a good character. Most British of them all. Like, okay, this is the most British thing I've ever heard her say. You're rubbish at maths. I can't even say an S at the end of maths. And, yeah, she's the most British. Doesn't mean that she's the most stupid because of that. It's just because she's so angry and bossy all the time. Next one, her name is, I don't know her name. I'm pretty sure she's the one in that one episode where she is, what did she do again? Where she turned everything into cute little things and then destroyed the monsters. And the monsters are nice. Now they're afraid of witches. How do they live with witches? Next one, I forgot her name too. And I don't think she's really stupid. I don't even know anything about her. The only thing I know is that Oscar and Hedgehog call her the nicest witch, or maybe it's the one that, I don't know. I can't tell the difference between the two. I forgot their names. You can see her feet there. A little bit of her, so you can tell the difference. But I can't really tell the difference between these two because I always forget. I meant like these two. Next, pajamas. The most adorable and the one that you would like the most. I mean, yeah, pajamas is cute, but there's too much pajamas in this show. Guess what? I've only seen 11 episodes of Summer Camp Island, and at least 6 of them I've seen had pajamas in them. I mean, the first one, they had that pajama party. You never see Oscar's pajamas, but you do see you didn't hear what I said because of that ear rape. It was going to be Susie's pajamas. Yeah, I know. You can't see Oscar's, one of the main characters, but you can't see Susie's. I don't get it. Next one, Oscar. I mean, he doesn't even have that long nose like an elephant. But guess what does happen? Never mind that last scene. Sorry. I was going to say, I was gonna talk about how on one part they said that they'll have, when you search up Summer Camp Island, instead of talking about Oscar over here on those things at the top that say Hedgehog, Oscar, and everything. Or if you search on wallpaper, it'll say YouTube, up there or something, and then you click on it, and it shows different results for that. Well, yeah, it said elephant. But next, we're going to be talking about... Okay, let's see here. Oh, the one who the screen is on. Hedgehog. I find, I don't know, but I find this a little feminist. I don't know why. I have no idea. But when you first see her, you think it's a boy. Because friends of the boy, girls and boys aren't usually friends. Not to be rude, but hold on. Robbie, are you slapping your knees at me? Or something that you did? Or are you even doing it? Okay. So yeah, at first you think she's a boy. And then you notice that she's a girl later on. And that explains why she's wearing a shirt. But at the back of her head with that thing on. You know, like, what is it? Like some sort of party hat? I don't know. But how did she keep it balanced on there so much? I've tried balancing a lot of hats on my head. She doesn't even have the strap. Look at her chin, there's no white strap. There's no white strap holding on there. That explains why in the first episode, this thing to the left picks up her hat and puts it on her head. But not where her ears are. Where she has to balance it. It just picks it up and puts it in the same place, and she goes, "Whoa, aliens?" Yeah, I didn't know it would be a surprise. I thought that the first episode would be like them just like, I thought the parents would know. I didn't know that would be a secret. So there you have it, guys. That's it for this episode. Before we go, there's still one more thing. Oh, well, I actually... Phone rings. I flinched. By the way, if you thought I was ranting, I'm not. I actually like this show. But what I was going to tell you, first thing, number one. I'm not making a 20-second video about this, one of those wasteful videos that I always delete. So I'm gonna do it as a follow-up in another video. Every time you search up a show, then you go on images on Google, and then you will definitely find a Pokemon card. If you keep going down, just find it there. Yeah, but I'm sure you will, for sure. And the next thing, yeah, you can leave if you want, it's not too important. Like the video, subscribe, join my Discord, link in the description for my Discord invite. It will never expire, don't worry. I'll press that, don't worry. Unless you might go viral, and then just go crazy. It'll expire or something. I don't know. Just do whatever it says on the screen right now, not earlier. So bye. See you in the next video. Unless you hate my channel, you don't have to if you don't want to. But if you hate my channel, then yeah, sure, go. Actually, if you think I have bad content now, I'm actually doing reviews on crap now. But now my brother's gonna think I'm knocking him off. So, bye.